Get down there because Austin's going to be here pretty soon.
I don't want to. He doesn't have to work with me though. I don't.
No. I just got to get the van down there because I wanted to start loading stuff up so I can get it back here.
Gotcha.
Okay.
So you're gonna leave?
That might be a good idea.
Yes, boss. Can I go wag the tree, boss?
Yeah, wag the tree. Okay, you ready? Hey, it's Brian here with ProTinkerToys. You had that all, didn't you? You taped the whole thing, didn't you? You're a jerk. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
He just taped the whole thing.
Because he just likes.
I can't believe it. Okay, this is Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com.
I'm leaving.
Yep, good. Have a nice day.
Well,
this is a Chevy pickup truck.
You're not going to miss me.
It looks like it's in the 1990s.
What's compatible to that?
1996. Wow, I can't believe 96.
96.
That's when they quit making them. All right, so how is Tyco compared to Race Masters and Autoworld?
That's what I wanted to ask, is how is Tyco compared to Race World and Autoworld?
Tyco was a very nice car. People liked Tyco. It was a very fast car. The 440 X2s were very fast. But all the cars are compatible with every other track. So you can race this this Tyco car on a Race Master set, on a Tyco or a Autoworld set. All of them, okay? Now, these cars are much faster than like a typical Autoworld extraction chassis.
That's because of the Magnum.
Yeah, I mean, these were designed, they kept going faster and faster and faster. Like here, a scale 26 faster, over 1,000 scale miles.
I can't race those because I can't control it.
Yeah, and so, but people like, now this is the X-Side track, this is a, DieHard track, or DieHard truck. This is a DieHard truck.
That's a truck, all right.
This is a brand new listing for us, and this is 9161. 9161 at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to hit the like, the notification bell, the like button, and everything. Get these now.